love coming here and seeing the mountains. Oh my gosh, it's just so relaxing. Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Tommy. I'm in Garden Zone 8A in South Carolina, but today I'm still in Garden Zone 7B in North Carolina. And I'm headed to go get my husband a pack of cigarettes and get the kids breakfast sandwich because I have to get back to finishing up that garden before we leave today. We got a lot done, and I'll show you a little bit of it. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hey, Ree. Hey, Rio. I'll hug the dog, rub on the dog, hug the dog, but don't jump up on me telling me you want a full body hug. No. Tearing down an old building that used to be, I think his granddaddy had cows over here, and this building needed to go. That he did the pigs in. Black snakes up in here. I'm recording it without recording him. The bread away? Oh, the top bread, bottom bread. Y'all ain't ran across no snake yet? You ran across what? Rats? Y'all gonna burn this after it dry out? So the old pig pen was right here. Tore that down a couple years ago. We cleaned a lot of stuff out back here. This is like the area that we were thinking about putting our house if we do one up here. We want to do it on the top because you got the mountain view right there. Just knock down a couple of trees and you can really see it. And this state is a carry state. So yesterday, me and my husband went to Walmart. But he didn't go in, he stayed in the truck. And I ran in to get my daughter a birthday cake because today is her birthday, April 18th. And that's our deer stand right there. And I was coming out, I got in the truck and he was like, "Did you see that guy going in the store with the gun on his hip?" I was like, "No." He's like, "I told you to pay attention to your surroundings." I said, "Man, I can't see without my glasses." He told me, "I don't care. You still need to pay attention." I'm like, babe, if something pop off, I'm sure you can come to my rescue. This is a nice little area. I just don't know if it's enough front and back wise. Colin got my son sick. He's sitting out, so he ain't even up here with them working today. He's sitting out there, eyes just as slanted. He was like, "I done took 2 allergy pills and it ain't did nothing." I gave him my nose drops. I mean, it's like we being hit with pollen again because we already went through it in South Carolina. Now we up here and everything just started budding. They don't have a bunch of pine trees though, but it's tree pollen that gets you. Hi, babe. Don't worry, I'm recording the ground. Say hey. Really? gonna take my drink? Huh? Really? How you gonna do that? What a good housewife I am. I just took your cigarette, held it for you to drink. To do what? Level what? Are you selling or are you just cutting them? What, put the house here? It is bigger, but so...
How it slopes up in the basement back there.
Okay.
That right there is a drop off.
But can I use that area for my greenhouse? Okay.
Come and over this off. Push the dirt. Over there. They gotta get the trees out again. They gotta get the roots out of here.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours.